So here's how it works. One bartender, the challenger, picks the ingredient. Then another bartender, the challenged, makes a cocktail featuring that ingredient. This is Cocktail Challenge.
It's green, slimy, super rich, super fishy. The ingredient that was chosen for me is called lobster tamale, which is basically all the entrails and the brains and the guts of lobster. We had to order the lobsters and then went ahead and poached those off in a corpignon, broke them open and pulled all the tamale out of them. I wasn't sure what to do with all the leftover lobster meat. Pureed that with some saffron, a little bit of the poaching liquid, and created lobster ice cubes. We used a corn puree. We're a tamale-themed restaurant, Mississippi Red Hot Tamales, so we season the corn puree as if it were a tamale and then use the tamale to thicken up the corn puree. I wasn't going to try to fight against any of the spice that was coming through with the tamale, and we just did a brown butter washed aquavit. So lobster and brown butter, drawn butter, classic pairing, I think. So 2 ounces of brown butter washed aquavit, 2 ounces of Tamale-Spiced tomato broth, and 2 ounces of tamale corn puree. Do a light shake. With the lobster ice cube. There you have the Tamale-Spiced tamale. Up next, I challenge Emily Atalis at Belly Q with Bonito Flake.